How to find transit number on TD Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to view TD branch code and routing number in TD Bank, here's how you can find your account information. So if you have a check, your account information is printed on your check. If you do not have a check, the easiest way is to get your account information by using the pre-filled direct deposit form, that is PDF. This form includes your 5-digit transit branch number, 3-digit financial institution number, and 7-digit account number. In order to find your direct deposit information in easy way, you can select the amount that you need the direct deposit information for, select the Manage tab, and on the left side of the page, select the direct deposit form PDF link, and you need Add a Reader to view the PDF. And then to find your direct deposit information in the TD app, you can select the account that you need direct deposit information for, and then select the Details tab, select Direct Deposit Info, and select the Download Form button to access a pre-filled PDF with your direct deposit information. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.